Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. YouTube then should notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. All right. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. If you enjoy the content of a creator, please take a second when you arrive to go underneath the video, hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue and the number will increase, and that's you helping us grow on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, today I'm excited. I finally got the IPSY Glam bag for March 2021. So this is the one that is the starter bag. It's $12 a month. It comes with the cutest, always very unique cosmetic bag. And inside this one, there is a cute little saying in it, which was across the plus bag as well, which is confidence comes from within. Really, really beautiful bag. So I love the whole concept. It's just fantastic. So this is not within the count. You get 5 deluxe size, supposedly deluxe size products in this $12 free shipping to your door. However, a lot of times they put at least 1 full size product in this bag. And this month, for some reason, I got 3. So they have a card that comes in here that says Stronger Together. That was the theme. And inside this one, they do have all the information. And what I like about this card is that not only do they have the information, they tell you what's deluxe size, what's full size. And on the deluxe size, they also give us what the price of the full size is. So I think that's really terrific. But I'm not always sure the information is going to be there. So I do some notes, and we're going to take it from there, because on my notes, when I get it directly from the IPSY website, sometimes they give an additional discount code for future purchases. And I leave all that information in the description box down below. So I want to make sure that if there's any extra discounts and you fall in love with a product, that when you check in my description box, you'll be able to see that discount for a future purchase. All right, so I'm gonna put this aside, but let's get started. I also pull out everything prior to filming, where I undo a lot of the packaging so we don't struggle with that here, because as you know here, it's me talking to you directly. We don't edit, we don't anything. It's like me talking to a girlfriend, okay? All right, the first item was my pick, and this one I could not believe was even a choice, because this is a brand new launch from Benefit. It is their Real, it's their magnetic mascara, and it is the mini sample size. But I am ecstatic, because as I tell you all the time when we go through the add-ons or the flash sales together, my favorite place to try mascaras is in that $3 section or the 2 for $5, because the brush and the formula inside these guys is the same size as what is in the full size. So you're able to test everything out before you start putting out $20 or $25 for, you know, a luxury brand mascara. So really, really excited that the brand new launch was here. So let's see what they wrote. And there's also a discount code that if I fall in love with it, I'll be able to use that. And like I said, I'll leave that in the description box down below. So we got the deluxe sample size. The full size of this would be a $27 value. And they're saying it's made with tiny volumizing fibers. It is a high impact mascara that draws your lashes up and out, creating extreme thickness and length in just a few coats. It says you gently wiggle the wand from the root to the tips of your lashes. Add more coats if you want more volume. And then it says it is a long wearing formula that won't smear or smudge. And this was about the brand Benefit. It says it was founded by 2 sisters in San Francisco. This quirky brand puts the fun back in makeup without sacrificing any of the quality. And I'm gonna open her up because I cannot wait to try this. Even though I have so many mascaras open, I don't think I've used the same mascara from one day to the next. That's how many mascaras I have open right now. So the bristles look very similar to the ones in their other mascara that is under this name for Real. So it's probably just the formula inside. I'm really excited. If you guys have the opportunity to try this, please leave it in the comments down below what your take is on this. But like I said, I'm always up for trying a new mascara, and this one is their newest one, and they're saying it is called Magnetic. So I'm assuming that there's fibers inside here and things like that. So we'll see what ends up happening, but could not believe, so I chose this as my choice item. The next item that we got in here is a lip balm. And this is a full-size item. They're saying this is an $8 value, and it is called, it's from the brand called Clearly Balanced Days. It's the lip balm in peppermint. They're saying it transforms dry, chapped lips with a nutrient-rich balm. It's infused with essential oils and 25 mg of a restorative CBD to leave your lips smooth, hydrated, and 0% sticky. It says swipe it onto your lips whenever they need moisture. It's made with unnecessary additives. Every ingredient is chosen for its contribution to your overall wellness. So it's made without any unnecessary additives. About the makeup, about the brand, it says it is makeup with a heart. It says this brand believes in achieving wellness, both physically and mentally, and are motivated by compassion for others to create high quality products that benefit those who wear them both inside and out. So it's a lip balm, but it has CBD, so just for you to note. The next one is a brush from FARAH, and this is the brush here. It comes with a little plastic on the top here to make sure that every bristle stays in place. It looks like it's flat on both sides and then comes to a point. This is also full size, and this is their brush number 620F, like FARAH. The value of this, they're saying, is $14. Now remember, we're talking about a $12 bag, free shipping to our door. This says it meets your pressed and loose powders new BFF. It is a pro quality brush that has the unique flat shape that's perfectly designed for pressing powder formulas onto your skin without caking or streaking. You can use it to apply your powders in a gentle patting motion. It's vegan and cruelty free. And about the brand, they're saying FARAH brushes are your one-stop shop for luxurious high-end quality and all your versatile tools. These type of brushes I love to use when I am putting on my banana powder underneath my eyes, or to get into areas where I just want to tap it with like a flat brush, but it's a flat brush that has a lot of luxury to it. So really, really excited to have that. The next item that we have here is from HANALEI. And this is a brand that has really impressed me. Everything that I've tried from this brand, I have really enjoyed. This is their Aloe face cleanser. This is a deluxe sample that's 15 ml, but the full size of this is $24. They're saying it is a soothing, cooling, skin refreshing aloe is the star ingredient in this gentle cleanser that becomes our go-to for calming stressed out skin. It removes makeup, it cleanses and tones without stripping away moisture, plus it smells like crisp island air. How to use it: massage your cleanser onto your damp and wet skin in a circular motion and then rinse away with warm water. More reasons to love it. It is cruelty free and all natural. About the brand, it says using unique blends of native Hawaiian botanicals like papaya, kukui oil, and cane sugar, HANALEI aims to heal and protect with products as lush as the rainforest that it is inspired. So it's a cleanser, so there's no point, it's sealed here. I'm just going to try to lift it so we can see if we can smell it. It does. It smells so divine. It's like that fresh, beachy type of smell. Really happy to get that. And then the last item that we received is saying it's full size, but it's really tiny. And it is a new brand to me, and it's called Sophia and Mabelle. And this is what it looks like here. And it says, I woke up like this, skin perfecting primer in clear. They're saying this is a $16 value, and they're saying it is the 10 ml, which is what this is, and that is their full size. And they're saying if you're like us, when you spend time on your makeup and you want it to last, this primer will do just that and more. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, which is a holy grail hydrator, to quench your skin while creating a smooth base for flawless, fresh looking makeup. You can smooth a small amount onto your skin with your fingers before applying your foundation. The reason that we'll love it, it also blurs the look of pores and imperfections for a smooth, bright complexion. About the brand, Sophia and Mabelle is an unfussy, universal brand created to fit into any person's beauty collection, no matter what stage of life they might be in. Isn't that terrific? All right, so this was completely sealed with the plastic, but I saw that as soon as I started to take off the plastic, because this is a deluxe sample size, I don't think it had the ingredients, and I think now you have to put them on there. So I tried to open it the best that I can, but still keeping the ingredients, so I'll be able to do some research afterwards. So let's just put a little bit on my hand here, because this is a really small sample size. And as you can see, I squeezed a lot out. There's not a lot in here. It is 10 mil. So a little must go a long way. And that's what this looks like here. And it feels very much like a silicone jelly type of primer. And that's what that looks like there. That's my hand without it, and that's the one with it. So that's everything that I got in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Very, very excited that I was able to get the newest mascara. So I'm really, really excited to try this one from Benefit. A lip balm you can't do without. A full, a brush. This HANALEI, anything from this brand I'm excited to use, and I'm also being introduced to a new brand, all for $12 shipped to my door, including a cosmetic bag. So as I say all the time, if you don't know where to start with subscription boxes and you're not sure that what you're gonna like, if you're gonna like receiving boxes every month or being part of a subscription, this is the best, to me, place to start is with IPSY with their $12 bag, because it also opens you up to the flash sales, the add-on sales, the shopper, the mystery bags. There's so much on IPSY that this $12 entrance fee gets you into, plus all this. All right, once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is so important that all of us continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and then we can start to enjoy a little more and a little more. See you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.